Ayukta, what do you mean by the word sphere? Fast, fast, students. It is revision class. Can you hear me properly, students?
Yes, ma'am.
What do you mean by the word sphere? Yes, Thanya.
Ma'am, just sphere.
Sphere, yeah. It is 3D shape
Ma'am,
of
a sphere is a three-dimensional circle.
three-dimensional circle. And when lenses are formed by the spherical faces, then it is known as spherical lenses. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
By lenses, refraction of light take place. By lenses, refraction of light take place because light goes inside. Light ray goes inside and it deviates from its original path as it goes from rarer to denser or denser to rarer. According to that, light rays deviate from its original path. So, what are spherical lenses? Spherical lenses, when these are formed by the surfaces of sphere, spherical lenses are of two types. In our syllabus, we study concave and convex. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So, this one is convex lens. This one is convex lens and below it concave. Okay. Convex lens, also known as converging or diverging.
Converging lens.
Converging because it converges the rays at a point. When parallel rays are coming, it converges the rays at a point F2. And concave lens, also known as diverging lens. Okay.
Ma'am, I remember when we are doing the numericals, I
Hmm.
mean, I didn't understand which point, like,
Hmm.
I don't remember what the doubt was. I was confused with the sign convention as well as the, uh,
I will explain everything. Okay.
yes, ma'am.
Tanya, you remember about the coordinate geometry in mathematics we do?
Yes, ma'am.
You remember about that?
Yes, ma'am.
Coordinate geometry में what we do when we are going to right side, then it is positive. When we are going to left side, it is negative. We are going to upward, it is positive. We are going to downward, it is negative. Okay, Ayukta, you are also getting?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so same thing here. It is F1, double of it 2F2. Actually, what is 2F2? देखो, convex lens is formed by the this
Sphere.
one sphere. So radius of this sphere is 2F2 and half of this one is focus. And here it is on right side, then it will be considered as positive. It will be considered as positive. On left side it will be negative. Here it is diverging. Diverging means when parallel rays are coming, it strikes the surface of concave lens, it diverges. On meeting behind, it meet at point F1. Okay. So F1 focal length, here it will be considered as negative. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Principal axis, this line is
Ma'am,
considered.
so for concave lens, uh,
Huh.
we
For,
only showed 2F1 and F1.
no, we have shown F2 to F2 also. Acha, for concave lens you are saying. Yes, yes,
Yes.
but you can show this side also, no problem. Because it is
Okay.
for both. For sign convention, what we do, we take U means distance of object as negative because it is always on left side. And images, if images are formed on right side, then it will be negative, positive, and on left side then it will be negative. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So these are the things which we already discussed. Image formation by lenses, I will show you by the diagrams. You have to prepare diagrams also for the examination. One more thing I want to tell students here. you can see actually particular ray, suppose this is coming parallel, then after refraction it will go towards the focus. It is coming parallel, it goes like that. On meeting behind, it appears that it is going towards the focus. Okay. Second thing, if coming from the focus after striking the surface of lens, it goes parallel. It goes parallel. Are you getting, Ayukta?
Yes.
Same thing. Suppose it is appears that it is going towards the focus, after refraction it becomes parallel to the principal axis. Towards optical center, no deviation. What is optical center, Ayukta?
Ma'am, the center of the length.
हाँ, लेंस का सेंटर इज नोन एज ऑप्टिकल सेंटर. Here it is O, and light rays goes through the optical center without any deviation. Okay. Here some cases of the image formation is given. Tanya, are you getting?
Yes, mom.
Here some cases are given, like in first one, rays are coming parallel, point image is formed at focus. Here it is the object which is between infinity and 2f1, or we can say beyond 2f1. Then image will be formed between f2 and 2f2, and this image is inverted. If it is inverted, then it will be considered as real or imaginary. Real
Real.
or virtual? Real. Real images are inverted, virtual images are
Erect.
erect. Here this one, if object is at 2f1, image will be formed at 2f2. Students, you have to be very careful while preparing the diagram. Image is of same size. Image is of same size as object, and this is real and inverted. If
Ma'am, so 2f1 and 2f2 are basically like the centers. So the same rule like mirrors applies to them. Same size.
same. Okay. Yeah, these are the center. 2f2 is the center of this face. From the sphere, this face is cut, and 2f1 center of this face of the sphere from which this face is cut. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now if the object is between 2f1 and f1, then image is formed beyond 2f2, and it is real and inverted. It is real and inverted. Okay.
Yes.
You have to learn all these cases. You have to prepare the diagrams so that in examination you can draw all the things very smoothly without any doubt. Here if it is at focus, object is at focus, image, students, you can see like that, means image will be formed at
Infinity.
infinity and it will be enlarged. If object is between f1 and optical center, then image is formed. This one is real inverted, virtual erect. This one is virtual
Virtual.
and erect beyond 2f1, and it is enlarged. In case of concave lens, only two cases arise. In case of concave lens, two cases arise. In first case, when object is between, in first case,
Infinity
infinity to
and focus.
focus. Infinity to focus, then images will be formed at f1. And if it is between f1 and O, virtual erect image will be formed. diminished image. एक second, one more thing I want to say. Here it is infinity to 2f1 and here 2f से
Ma'am,
optical center. हाँ,
for both convex and concave lenses, if the image is formed on the left side, then it is virtual and erect.
हाँ, left side then it is virtual and direct.
Okay.
Because actually here rays doesn't meet, rays appear to meet. That's why image will be virtual and direct.
Ma'am, for the first case of concave lens, ma'am, it's parallel to the principal axis and it should pass through the focus,
Focus.
right? Here it is appearing to pass through the focus, ma'am. Why is it
Yes.
not possible for it to pass through f2 on the other side?
Through f2 because it is diverging lens. Diverging lens, it diverges the rays. To pass
Oh,
to the principal focus, it should converge. बट दिस इज डाइवर्जिंग वर्ड का समझ में आता है, रेस को फैला देता है. दैट्स व्हाई दे आर नॉट मीटिंग ऑन अ पॉइंट.
okay, ma'am.
आयुक्ता, एनी डाउट?
No, ma'am.
समझ में आ रहा है बेटे आपको भी?
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है. यू हैव टू लर्न दीज केसेस, यू हैव टू प्रिपेयर द डायग्राम्स so that in examination you can prepare very smoothly all the things. You can draw the diagrams very smoothly. वरना क्या रहेगा कि हम अटकेंगे कि कैसे होना है, क्या होना है. This one, focal length of the convex lens is positive because it is on the right side of the lens, and concave lens is negative because it is on the left side of the lens.
Ma'am, so focal length means we'll only count f2.
हाँ,
So whichever side the object is placed, which is the left side, so we won't count the focal length on that side.
no, we will. In case of concave lens, we are taking negative and object is also on the left side. Here rays are diverging.
So we can't take the right side.
In case of concave.
Yes, ma'am. In case of concave,
हाँ,
the rays will diverge, so
हाँ,
we can't take focal length on
right
right
side.
side.
Yes.
But in convex lens, we can take it on the right side.
Yes.
So only these two.
Only these two.
Okay.
And object distance always will be taken as negative because it is on the left side, and image, it depends on the condition. Means if image is formed on the right side, like एक second मैं आपको one by one बताती हूँ. Here in first one it is right side, so it will be taken, V is taken as positive. Okay, here also V positive, V positive, V positive, and the height of image will be taken as negative.
That's depending on whether it's inverted or
Yes,
virtual.
if it is inverted then upside down and downside is negative.
Ma'am, acha, okay, ma'am. I think my doubt was with the focal length only because everything else is similar to mirrors.
Actually Thanya, it is completely related to coordinate geometry, nothing else.
Yes, ma'am. I wanted to know why we consider only that side of the, focal
Okay,
length,
okay.
which focus.
Now you got the point. This is the lens formula. 1 upon V minus 1 upon U is equal to 1 upon F. Ayukta, let me know about mirror formula.
Ma'am, 1 upon F is equal to 1 upon V plus 1 upon U.
Very good. Thanya, your doubt is clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Thanya, what is magnification?
Ma'am, is the ratio of the height of the image and the height of the object.
If it is greater than 1, then
The image is magnified.
equal to 1,
The image is of the same size.
same size, and less than 1,
The image is diminished.
image is diminished. Okay. Any other doubt you are having?
No, ma'am. Ma'am, there's nothing else for magnification, right?
Yes. And magnification, h dash upon h. Any other formula of magnification, Ayukta?
Minus V by U, ma'am.
Minus v by u. And here also rule of sign we have to apply. Okay. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Ayukta, read first question.
Yes, ma'am. Which of the following can make a parallel beam of light when light from a point source is incident on it?
Hmm. Parallel beam of light when light from a point source is incident on it. Parallel beam of light किससे बन सकती है?
मैम मतलब
अभी क्या है कि हमने एक पॉइंट सोर्स लिया. पॉइंट सोर्स समझ में आता है आयुक्ता? मतलब एक ऐसा छोटा सा सोर्स लिया
हाँ मैम.
और इसे हमें विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग कैन मेक with the help of this one, which of the following can make parallel beam of light? Thania, you can also reply.
Ma'am, light from a point source. Ma'am, but concave mirror, we know that it will only concave and convex can only make that parallel beam reflect parallel beam of light if it's passing through the focus.
So which option?
So it's not concave and convex mirror for this question.
It is.
Ma'am,
Means yes.
I thought light from a point source, matlab it's also like going as a parallel straight beam of light.
Yes. In case of concave mirror, on the focus, point source is placed.
Oh, okay, ma'am. Acha.
Okay.
So, yes, ma'am.
And
Concave mirror as well as Oh, they give lens also.
convex lens also. It strikes the convex lens and becomes parallel.
Yes, ma'am.
One more thing. Here, if you remember this condition, we learned for the headlight of the car. For the headlight of car, same thing happens. Here it is a point source. After striking the concave mirror, we get parallel beam of light. Aita, are you okay with it? Read the
Yes, ma'am.
question, try to understand it, because this is the, we can say, very critical situation. We will not get question from NCERT only. Topics from NCERT, answers from NCERT, but questions like Ghuma Firakar we will get. Okay, Tanya, want to read any other topic? Should I continue with the same?
Ma'am, we can continue with this.
Okay. Second question.
So, ma'am,
Hmm.
for the question, my answer would be concave mirror and convex lens.
Yes. Read the question carefully. Okay. Think about that, then answer. Second question. First question, who replied? Thanya, I think. Second question, Ayukta.
A 10 long, ma'am, what is
All
AWL?
all pin. All pin like this is pin and ऊपर like इस तरह से होता है. All pin. We use it to like कहीं भी यूज हो जाता है. इन कैलेंडर्स और पेपर्स को हमें पिन लगानी है. ऑल पिन.
Yes,
मैम जो
ma'am.
सॉफ्ट बोर्ड में लगाते हैं वो
Soft board.
वाला.
Yes. We use the all pins on soft board also.
Okay, ma'am. A 10 mm long ball pin is placed vertically in front of a concave mirror. A 5 mm long image of ball pin is formed at 30 centimeter in front of the mirror. The focal length of this mirror is.
Who will reply this? Firstly, collect the data.
Height of the object is given. Ma'am, height of the object is h dash or h?
Ayukta, height of the
Yes,
object
ma'am.
is h or h dash?
H, ma'am.
H only. Tanya, it is
Oh,
h only.
okay, ma'am. And that is always positive.
And that is always positive because it is always kept straight, upward side.
Ma'am, we should convert this, right?
Hmm. Yes,
Into centimeter.
into centimeter. So 10 millimeter is equal to
100 centimeter. No, sorry. More than that, no.
1
Ma'am,
centimeter.
1 millimeter is 100 centimeter.
Nahi beta. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter.
Oh, okay.
Actually, centimeter is greater unit than the millimeter. It is like meter, then decimeter, then centimeter, then millimeter. So 1 meter, 1 to 100 centimeter, 1 meter, 1000 millimeter, and 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter.
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
Ma'am, and h dash is
एक
minus
सेकंड बात खत्म नहीं हुई. So 10 millimeter is equal to
1 centimeter.
1 centimeter. Ayukta, you also reply beta. H dash is equal to,
Minus 5 millimeter.
it is minus 5. Why?
Ma'am, because the image is always formed. I
Hmm.
mean,
हाँ, so in
it's always
centimeter.
real and inverted. So,
हाँ, so it, हाँ, ठीक है. In centimeter it will become 5 millimeter.
Ma'am, what did you just ask, ma'am?
Sorry,
What did you just ask?
I
I was not
asked.
able to hear.
Okay, okay. I was asking 5 millimeter into centimeter.
Ma'am, 1 millimeter is equal to 1 by 10 centimeter, right?
Hmm.
So,
yes,
ma'am, 1 by
0.5.
50.
Hmm. Very good. Now 10 millimeter long all pin is placed vertically in front of concave mirror. 5 millimeter long image of the all pin is formed at 30 centimeter in front of the mirror. So what is 30 centimeter?
Ma'am, the image is formed 30 centimeter in front. Oh, okay. Yes, ma'am. Sorry.
So V is equal to
Minus 30.
minus 30 centimeter. Focal length of the mirror. How can we calculate focal length of the mirror?
Ma'am, we have to get use object distances value. No, ma'am.
But how?
Using h dash by h
H dash by H is equal to
minus v by u.
minus V by U. What is the value of H dash?
H dash is minus 0.5.
Upon
1.
is equal to
My minus and minus plus 30.
upon.
U.
So it will become minus 0.5 U is equal to 30. What will be the value of U?
U is 30 by minus 0.5.
So it will become equal to, Ayukta,
Ma'am, just a second. I'm still calculating.
one more thing I want to say, students, here for h and h dash we converted millimeter into meter. Oh, sorry, millimeter into centimeter. If we are not converting, then it will also work. Why? Because here we are taking ratio of h dash and h. Are you getting my point?
Yes, ma'am.
We are not writing separate values. In case of separate value, definitely we have to convert, but here we are taking ratio, so if units either in millimeter or centimeter, both will work.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Hmm.
ma'am, value of U would be minus 60.
Minus 60 centimeter. Very good. V, you know, V भी आपको पता है.
Yes, ma'am.
What is mirror formula?
1 by
1 by
F is equal to 1 by V plus 1 by U.
And what they are asking? They are asking about the focal length. Calculate it fast.
Ma'am, focal length cannot be negative, right?
It can be.
It can.
Yeah, because it is also on left side.
Ma'am, I
Actually,
suddenly got a doubt when we are. I got minus 3 by 60 is equal to 1 by f.
yes. So F is equal to,
Ma'am, will the sign change?
no, F is equal to minus 20 centimeter.
Ma'am, if I'm taking minus 3 by 60 is 1 by f, then I'm writing f's value. Will it be 60 by minus 3?
But finally you will get minus 20 centimeter.
Yes, ma'am. I just wanted to
Okay.
know the signs will change. Like minus 3 will become plus when it's going down.
If you are making it plus, then 60 will become negative.
So, ma'am, that is possible.
Yeah, it is possible.
But the
Actually,
answer won't go wrong, right?
answer would be minus 20 centimeter. Actually,
Regardless of whether I change it or not.
actually what we have done, we if we are writing this, then answer will become minus 20. If we are writing like this, so what we have done, we have multiplied this one by minus 1 on both sides. So in both case, answer is correct.
Oh, okay, ma'am. So this applies for everything. Anytime I'm taking reciprocal, the answer will be correct
Correct.
only.
If Thanya, in numerator and denominator, like it is numerator and it is denominator, one value with negative sign, so final answer will also be with negative sign.
Oh, okay, ma'am.
Huh.
Yes, ma'am. Only
Both,
when one value is negative and one value.
if both value are negative, then final answer will be positive. This is related to integers.
Ma'am, so. Yes, ma'am. Even minus would get cancelled then.
Cancel. So here final answer is
-20.
Ma'am, -20.
centimeter. Very good, both of you. Now read question number 3.
Under which of the following conditions a concave mirror can form an image larger than the actual object?
Hmm. When object is kept,
When object is kept as the distance less than its focal length.
क्या क्या दे रखा है, kept at a distance equal to its radius of curvature, no. In that case image will be equal. Size, object is kept at a distance less than its focal length. Focus and center of curvature, no. Object, हाँ, ये वाला ही रहेगा, B.
B.
And that's why dentist use concave mirror. Okay.
Because it gives a large image of
Larger
the.
image, erect image, virtual image.
Ma'am, so when in uses of concave mirror, if they mention the use and they ask us to draw a diagram
हाँ.
for torches, searchlights, parallel beams of light, whichever diagram has a.
When object is kept on focus, so parallel beam of light we will get.
Oh, yes, ma'am.
In that,
And for the other cases of dentist and the
dentist
straightening
last,
mirror,
last one in which object is kept between O and F.
ma'am, not the last one, no, ma'am. That is, the image will be virtual and erect.
Virtual, last one ही तो है वो, I think.
Oh, so it has to be erect.
Erect. That's why dentists are using.
Oh, yes, ma'am.
And object is kept between F and O.
Pole.
Pole. In case of mirror it is pole, P. Ayukta, getting?
Yes, ma'am.
Ayukta, in fourth, firstly you let me know, medium B is rarer to medium A or medium B is denser to medium A? Just look at this diagram, then you have to tell me.
Ma'am, medium B is denser, ma'am.
Thanya, according to you, medium B is?
Ma'am, just a second. Ma'am, you want me to answer the entire question
No,
or
no, no,
just
no, no.
whether.
No. Firstly, I am asking, just look at this diagram, and let me know which one is denser, which one is rarer.
Medium B is optically denser and medium A is optically rarer.
And ray is coming from which medium?
Medium B.
Medium A.
Oh, okay. Yes, ma'am.
And it is actually, Thanya, you are not wrong here. When I look at this diagram, I also thought the same thing. Ray is coming because generally we read about that diagram कि ऊपर से ray आया and after that like this. But here ray is coming from medium A and going towards medium B. Okay?
Ma'am, but still medium B is optically denser,
Yeah,
right?
obviously it is denser. Still it
Yes.
is denser. It is rare. Fourth, whose turn? Aikta or Thanya? Who will read the question?
Ma'am,
Hmm.
ma'am, I still did not get why medium A would be rarer.
Because when ray is coming from medium A here and medium B, it is towards the normal. When ray goes from rare to denser medium, then it goes towards the normal. And denser to rarer, it moves away from the normal. Aita, Can you hear me, friends?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, Ayukta?
Ma'am, I think she got disconnected or rejoined.
Okay, okay. Refractive index of medium B relative to medium A. Let me know how will you calculate the refractive index. According to,
Ma'am, I think there's some issue.
no problem. Ayukta, from medium A to medium B, ray is going towards the normal. That's why medium B is denser and medium A is rarer.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Here, by which formula can we calculate refractive index of medium B relative to medium A? According to,
Ma'am, V by C.
V by C में we don't know about V. C we know, it is the speed of light in vacuum. Here we will apply the Snell's law, that is N is equal to, what is the value of sin I here? I का value कितना है? Angle of incidence.
30,
Angle
60.
angle of incidence means ray और normal के बीच का angle. Angle between
Mm.
the incident ray and normal.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, 60 degree.
60 degree. And R,
Is 45.
45 degree.
what is the value of sin 60 without any help? You have to tell me.
Root 3 by 2.
Very good. Ayukta, sin 45?
What, ma'am?
Sin 45?
Root 2 by 2?
1 by root 2.
नहीं,
ठीक
1
है.
by root 2.
You told me root 2 by 2. After simplifying it, you will get 1 by root 2. Okay. But you have to write 1 by root 2. So final value will become, after calculating this, what we will get?
Ma'am, first
Ma'am,
we'll
root 6
cancel
by 2.
2 and root 2.
Actually, what we will do, we will write in this way. 2 can be written as root 2 into root 2 into root 2 upon 1. So it will become 3 by 2. Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, so even if I don't write it this way and I cancelled root 2 and 2 with, so I got root 3 by root 2.
Yes, no
Then
problem.
again, I can write it by root of 3 by 2.
Yeah, you can. So correct answer is option A. Ayukta, you got it or not?
Ma'am,
Yes,
when
ma'am.
ma'am, I have it all.
Hmm.
Ma'am, when they say refractive index of medium B relative to medium A,
Huh.
that means medium B with respect to medium A.
Medium B with, it's the same thing. We are doing
No,
the same.
ma'am. When they say one medium with respect to the other,
Huh.
so which medium is the light ray coming through first?
मीडियम ए जो बाद में लिखा है, मीडियम ए
Always whichever is written last with
लास्ट
respect to
विद
that medium. That medium is the one with the incident ray.
या इंसिडेंट रे, because
Oh,
we are comparing medium B according to medium A. Medium B is denser with relative to medium A. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. I just wanted to know because in every question,
Hmm.
with respect to matlab,
Actually, after completing the syllabus, we will do exemplar question also. These are very important. Fifth question.
a light ray enters from medium A to medium B as shown in figure 10.2. The refractive index of medium B relative to A. Ma'am, what is unity?
1. Unity here
Wait,
1. Greater than 1, less than 1, equal to 1 or 0. From medium A to medium B, firstly you have to observe that it is going away from the normal or towards the normal.
away from the normal. So
Ayukta,
it's
according to you, from medium A to medium B, it is away from the normal or towards the normal?
Ma'am, towards the normal.
Tanya, it is towards the normal, beta. Medium A, if light will go straight, it will go like this.
oh, okay. Yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
It's towards the normal.
So it means medium B is optical denser or rarer?
Optically denser.
Denser. Denser means its refractive index is more than A or less than A?
More than A.
More than A. It means B relative to A. Medium B relative to A. Greater than 1, less than 1, equal to 1 or 0. It is अभी देखो B ऑप्टिकल डेंसर है, इसका रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स A से ज्यादा है. We are writing in the numerator greater value than the denominator. Then we will get the value
Greater than unity.
greater than 1. Ayukta, are you okay with it?
Yes, ma'am.
Tricky question hai students. Devise exemplar also. If you don't have PDFs, you can tell me. I will share PDFs one by one. During the class, we will also start revision from exemplar. Okay. Exemplar, NCRT book and 10 years question paper. If you will complete these three things till examination, definitely you will get good marks. Sixth question, Ayukta.
Beams of light are incident through the holes A and B and emerge out of box through the holes C and D, respectively, as shown in the figure 10.3. Which of the following could be inside the box?
Hmm. Rectangular glass slab, कॉन्वेक्स लेंस, कॉनकेव लेंस एंड प्रिज्म. क्या हो सकता है अंदर?
Ma'am, glass slab.
ओके आयुक्ता, वेरी गुड, बट यू हैव टू एक्सप्लेन हाउ.
Ma'am,
हम्म.
explanation. Ma'am, I don't know how to explain.
ओके थान्या, इज थान्या देयर?
Ma'am, yes, ma'am.
हाँ.
Just a second. Ma'am, the glass slab is the correct answer.
Yes, it is the correct answer, but how can we say that the glass slab is the correct answer?
Ma'am, because is it related to the mediums and how the emergent ray comes
Yes,
out?
very good, very good. Emergent ray is parallel to the incident ray in case of glass slab. In case of convex lens, it will become like diverging. In case of concave lens,
Ma'am, concave lens it will diverge, no, ma'am.
sorry, diagram I made correct, but by mistake I told diverging. Convex lens converging, concave lens diverging.
And in a
Prism,
prism, we can't exactly tell which way.
actually prism, what prism do? Break down the rays in different colors.
Yes, ma'am.
Only in case of rectangular glass slab, we get emergent ray parallel to the incident ray. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
Tanya, seventh, it's your
Ma'am,
turn.
1 second, ma'am. Can you scroll up to that
Yeah,
question?
sure. Next question.
Ma'am, so the reason for sixth one is emergent rays parallel to
To the
the
incident ray,
incident
and it is only possible in case of
glass.
rectangular glass slab.
Glass. Yes, ma'am. A beam of light is incident through the holes on side A and emerges out of the holes on the other face of the box. Which of the following could be inside the box?
Seventh, observe incident ray and emergent ray.
Ma'am, it's
Parallel.
not a glass slab and I don't think it's a convex lens either.
Hmm.
Is it
Hmm.
it's either prism or concave lens?
Ma'am, I think it's concave lens.
How?
Ma'am, because the light rays are diverged. No,
Divergent.
ma'am, it can be prism too.
एक second. Students, actually they are asking inside the box. Hmm? So inside the box, firstly all rays are converging at a point. Are you getting my point?
Yes, ma'am.
Outside the mirror, outside this box, they are going like this, but inside they are converging. If we observe
So it's a convex lens?
convex lens,
Ma'am, so we do not identify lenses with the reflected ray, but we notice
actually,
whether it's converging at the reflective
inside
surface.
inside the box, inside the box, what's going on? So if we
Ma'am,
observe,
generally also, like I'm asking generally also,
hmm,
when we do not identify whether it's diverging or converging, looking at only the reflected ray, but do we see the reflected surface?
surface, in this question we can say, where the question is of box, inside the box, what is there? Concave, rectangular slab, prism or convex lens? So here it is convex because the rays are converging inside the box. Okay, tricky questions actually. Okay, now eighth, focal length negative for convex and concave. We take,
Ma'am,
huh,
concave.
concave has negative focal length. So here for concave positive, so this option cannot be correct. Concave negative, this can be correct. And convex positive negative,
Positive.
Positive.
पॉजिटिव. अब आप देखो ए और सी में कौन सा करेक्ट होगा.
Ma'am,
Hmm.
ma'am, I think it's A option.
Very good. Because convex lens 4 diopter, then its focal length will be 0.25. By which formula? F is equal to 1 by P.
P.
Okay. So that's all for today's class.